I'm drinking tea. I just got home from work a little bit ago and we're gonna go swimming, right, Jace?
I want this one off.
You want this one off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take it off. So I was supposed to be kind of like a fairy for work today with my makeup. It looks so dark on camera right now and like I'm super red and it's just, it looks really weird. But I was wearing like a little headband and it was so much fun. Today is Friday and we're getting ready to go to swimming like I was saying with Mr. Jace.
No, 2 hands.
What else, Jace?
2 hands.
2 hands. He's being very bossy right now.
But I didn't think come.
Okay. You guys, I was saying today is Friday.
Cheese.
Cheese. Are you taking a picture of me?
Mommy, please.
So I was saying,
Mommy.
I see it, baby.
Mommy.
Jace, are we gonna get a new home? So we
Okay.
move in. I think we can officially move into our new place
Mommy,
October
again.
31st.
Mommy, cheese.
Cheese.
Mommy. Okay, done.
I didn't put any film in there because he would take like a gazillion pictures.
I got my phone down.
Okay.
On my phone.
I just have to catch you guys up later. Say goodbye. Like you're sweating.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Hi guys. I'm home. My ears. Jace woke up extra early, right, Jace? As he gives me a hug. I love you. And kisses. Photo. And tomorrow when I get the key, I can like start taking stuff. Like I am ready to stay there. Your mommy what?
You go up much.
Yeah, that's practicing the letter S. Go.
Like what?
That's right, but how do we go? Good job, buddy. River. So that's where we are. Okay, let's go potty first, and then we'll go down on the trail, Mr. Jace. Gotta hide my purse in the...
It's not going.
Oh, I think it's another car. Come on.
Like that. It's not going.
guys probably can't tell from the footage, but it's actually a pretty big hike. And Jay said he's sleepy. So now we gotta hike back with him. You ready for breakfast? I'm hot and tired. I still have to get ready for work. I have my keys to my new home. Oh my gosh, this is an exciting moment. I can't go see it because I have to go get Jace. But I can't wait because tomorrow, I don't know if I've already told you guys, but I have 3 days off. And I guess this is gonna be moving day. I wanna kind of like take on the approach of a minimalist, so I don't want much, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, my cheeks look so chubby, and oh my gosh, I still have so much
peace to every mind through my forgiveness.
left. I'm listening to Gabrielle. I've been watching Sarah.
See you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.
I love her blogs, but I'm sort of advancing. It's been so many hours already. So I took all of the clothes that were on there, and I'm moving on to the closet. That's the last part that I need. I did everything in the drawers. I need to take that, and all these bags with me are full of clothes. Those boxes over there, pumpkins. Let's see. I need to get rid of that. Donate trash and lots of other bags over there. I think that's about it. I'm using my mom's van, and it's already like halfway full. I put Jace's bed in it and like packed everything in suitcases and bags and stuff, and I'm not sure. Like, I left one outfit out for Jace, so maybe we could spend the night here, because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, since I have to go get him at 1. Guys, like literally this whole entire van is packed to the max, but it's time to, I'm gonna give myself 2 hours to unload things before I come back, get in the car, and go get Jace. So here we go. His donut. Unpacking everything. It's actually, it wasn't as bad as it was packing it. Now for the unpacking part. And look at this. Doesn't that look so funny? I need to buy him a queen mattress probably sometime soon. But the bed looks so tiny. Take stuff to the donation center. My phone died, so I just gotta get my bags ready. I think they gave us like a free pizza from like business nearby. Welcome to the neighborhood, it says. So cool. You guys, I'm so excited. This was much needed. $3 for most gym memberships. This was much needed for Jason and I, so I'm so excited. Literally for a kitchen, like that's all I have. My mugs for my tea. But yeah, I really like this tiny little kitchen. Like, I just need small little space like this. This is so perfect. I'm so happy. Came back with my sisters to show them the apartment, but I pulled up the what is it called? Blinders, just to show them the little look of our room. I'm so in love with that view. Like, this won't ever get old. His cousin yesterday, because we were really close to my sister's house, and I was thinking about ending the vlog right here. I'll update you guys a little later on putting this stuff away. Good morning. 6:50. I've been up since 5.
An apple.
That's my apple that I was eating.
Cheese.
And
Go
cheese.
bite. No bite.
Do you want to try my apple?
I'll get another one.
You're gonna get another one?
Yeah, I'll go cook it.
You're gonna cook it?
Yep.
hair. I'm gonna put pots and pans.
Pot and pan.
Mm-hmm.
The big toy.
Yeah, in that drawer.
In microwave.
Tomorrow I go to work from 9 to 1, and today is, what's today, Jace?
Oh.
Today is Thursday, my last day off. I'm like, no, I don't want to go to work tomorrow, but hi guys, Jace is vlogging me, and I already took my lashes off, so
Taco my nose.
taco what?
Taco my nose.
Taco something.
Look me.
What? He's just been rolling that around. He's gonna be drinking milk on his mug, and I'm drinking my tea. He's been moving everything. I just need to wait till he goes. I love the way, oh, and the camera doesn't look it as much, but the way the sun is hitting the tops of the trees looks so pretty with that little. I wasn't too worried. I worked like 10.5 hours. It's a long shift. I did come home with some gratis, and I bought a couple of things for myself, so I think I'm gonna do a haul. Just showing that on a separate video, but I'm really excited about it. I go in at work at 12 today, so I have time to, I'm gonna try to see if I can edit it and upload it, and yeah, hopefully. But I will see you on my I'll see you on my next vlog or on a sit down vlog.